Out of major developments in the race for president.
The Supreme Court in Colorado has just ruled Donald Trump ineligible for the state's primary ballot. This sets up a likely Supreme Court showdown. Sharon Crowley is in the newsroom with those details. Sharon.
Yeah, it certainly sets the stage for now for more legal battles. Trump's team promising to bring this case before the U.S. Supreme Court. Whatever the outcome, it's a blow to the Republican frontrunner's campaign, one the former president plans to weather.
The key is you have to get out and vote.
Former President Donald Trump campaigning in Iowa just after Colorado's state Supreme Court disqualified him from the 2024 primary ballot for his role in the January 6 assault on the U.S. Capitol. Colorado's highest court overturned a ruling from a lower district court that found Trump had incited an insurrection, but could not be barred from the state ballot.
Everyone is expecting Trump to appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. I think most odds makers would say that the U.S. Supreme Court, one, will take this case, and two, will reverse it.
David Katz is a former assistant U.S. attorney and now a criminal defense lawyer in Beverly Hills. Colorado is a blue state, so Katz thinks the U.S. Supreme Court would rule the decision to make Trump ineligible to be on the Colorado state ballot was politically motivated.
A lot of people think that it won't stand up in the U.S. Supreme Court because they'll see it as a political question and one that the federal courts, the U.S. Supreme Court, should not get involved in.
Trump, who remains the Republican frontrunner, lost Colorado by 13 percentage points in 2020 and doesn't need the state to win next year's presidential election. But the danger for the former president is that more courts and election officials will follow Colorado's lead and exclude Trump from must-win states, potentially setting up for more legal battles. Whatever the ultimate outcome, Democratic strategist Basil Smikle says the decision by Colorado's state Supreme Court is damaging to Trump's campaign.
So the political ramifications are significant. Even if he manages to stay on the ballot, you're going to have all of his opponents saying, look at what the court has actually said. It's not just something that you can sweep under the rug anymore.
And we're getting reaction tonight from Trump's campaign. They call the decision flawed, and they vow to file an appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, adding they believe the high court will put an end to what they are referring to as un-American lawsuits. Natasha?
All right, Sharon, thank you.